Hey there, my name's Drew Brashler, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Flow 8 from Behringer connected to your phone for control and audio playback. If you're brand new to my channel, I'm all about helping you feel more confident in your production gear no matter where you're starting from. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I have my Flow 8 here, and I have my phone here. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to set the Flow 8 up for connecting via Bluetooth for control. So go ahead and download our Flow app here from Behringer, and we can click into this. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to hit the Bluetooth menu right up here, and we're going to press Connect. It's then going to want you to go into your menu, go to Pairing, and pair the app. And then it will say that the app is paired. That's all we have to do. We don't have to go through the Bluetooth menus or anything like that. But if you are having problems with this, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to your settings and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. The next thing that I can do here is go back to the app, and we can actually change the name. So we can go into our continue session or start a new session. We can go up into the info, and we can name this a different thing. So I'm going to name this DBB Audio. And I'm going to press save. In order to change this, we will need to reboot, and so we can press save. Now we want to make sure that we're not doing this while audio is being passed through the Flow 8, as that would interrupt our audio if we needed to reboot this. And so then we can go ahead and press reconnect. And we can see that the blue app light is lit, and we are now connected. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to get your phone connected into the Behringer Flow 8 for sending music into the board via your phone on Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and do that next. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to press Menu and go to our pairing, and then we're going to rotate over to Pair Audio. And we will see that the audio light is blinking. We'll go ahead and swipe up and go to our Bluetooth menu in our settings. And then we will see down here under other devices that it will pop up with the Flow 8. We can see it right here. So we can go ahead and press that. And now that's connected. So now we can see that we have our app connected, which we have right here. So I can go ahead and turn things up and down, and we will see that correspond on our Flow 8. Additionally, we can go to an audio playback software on my phone, like music, and we can go ahead and play some music. Our Bluetooth USB knob for turning it up is right here. So we can see that when I turn this up, we will see audio playing. So that's as simple as it is for getting the Behringer Flow 8 connected into your phone for both control and audio playback. If you do happen to have any questions, feel free to post in the comment section below. And if there's a specific video that you want me to make on the Flow 8 or any of the other production products out there, feel free to put that in the comment section below, as I'm always looking through that to find the next video that's going to be helpful for you. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, or if you found that this video or any of the other videos have been helpful for you, consider becoming a member as a way to say thank you to me. If you haven't checked out my website at drewbrashler.com, I have a bunch of articles and tips and trips on that website. Thank you so much.